Yeah, let's do that. What Tesla? What's up? Thanks for the follow. Yeah. Hyper accelerated. This is called, I think. Oh, accelerated. Okay. Using computer and online, the same thing. Play OTB. OTB because OTB rating is the rating that matters. So play over the board, play in person as much as you can. Some people have been playing online for 10 years and they're OTB, and OTB is what gets you titles and stuff. D6 or queen b6. So you do queen b6, it's going to be a boring game. I apologize on behalf of my boring opponent if they play queen b6. See? I'm apologizing. I'm sorry on behalf of my opponent. No style. No style. They're just going to take here and stuff. And it's not the first time. Mods should ban the streamer for foreign language use. For facts. I shouldn't speak French. But I'm teaching you, like, you know, how to swear in French. So if you ever go to France and they're rude to you, whoa, you're supposed to go here, my boy. Okay, this is interesting. Maybe also their side is bad. What does black play here? Oh, knight f5, okay. If I ever go to France, I know it for a fact they'll be rude to me. Can't be down a pawn in this opening, in which they didn't even play well. What is it here? What am I not seeing? Okay, first of all, I'm keeping this bishop. My opponent just said I play so fast. Sarcastic. I'm gonna play aggressive because I don't care anymore. They turned me mean. I'm a nice guy. They're rude to everyone, but Italians most of all. Ooh. I wonder why Italians. What did the Italians do? Are you French? I'm French Canadian. So I speak avec un accent comme ça là. Je parle français bizarrement. You understand me? Maybe you don't actually. Hayes Knight, thank you so much for the follow. Pieque Yo Alto. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to my stream. Take the file. Take the file. Come on, son. That was good. I can't hold it in much longer. That was some crazy shit. Holy, how many brilliant moves. Yeah, game review's like, yo, 96? Aha, 2 brilliant moves, 96.8. Yo! It all went downhill for my opponent when instead of the theoretical move, knight c5, which then I go into theory takes, d takes, knight takes e7, check, king h8, and we take here, and rook takes. This is what I referred to as the boring line in the game because I played this a lot, and this is very boring. But here, instead of playing that main line, they played a secondary line, bishop takes d4, which, okay, black still is a pawn up. They keep the pawn, but I get a lot of compensation on the board. And compensation is when you don't have the equivalency in material, but you have the equivalency worth in position. And here you'll see my bishops animate, my knight central, and my king very nicely castled. And here I come up with a plan with kind of creative actually, opening up the H file, which was a mistake by my opponent. And once that happens, they trade off my knight for their bishop, giving me this diagonal, and also pinning their pawn. Queen c7, a mistake. I don't know why they played this. I have no idea. But it let me gain this file, and after e6, I could play the brilliant move, bishop f6 here, which basically cradles this position and really puts it on a freeze. And okay, I make up this mating net and sack a bishop while doing it, but they really can't do anything even if they don't accept the sacrifice. In the game, they didn't accept the sacrifice, but even if they do, let's say, it's the exact same combination. Rook h8 check, king takes, queen h1 check. This is pinned, right? Knight can't go to h5, so king g8, and then we go back to h6 once again and threatening mate. And if you move the knight, we go queen h8 checkmate, exactly as in the game. And so knight e7, and here I played the second brilliant move of the game, rook h8 check on the king, king takes, queen h1, king here, and this was kind of pre-moved, kind of nice. Knight f5, the last hope of the game, and I take off the defender of this knight, and now I'm threatening checkmate, and there's nothing you can do to prevent checkmate.